This conference will now be recorded.
Which concept we are discussing?
Yeah, we discussed about yesterday the case-sensitive platform independent compilers in the operating system, JVM.
Okay.
Yes. And yesterday we installed the JDK 1.8.
Okay.
And we create the path as path 2 yesterday.
How to set the path, how to install it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we did
Yeah.
yesterday.
See, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how to execute a Java program, simple Java program, we didn't see that.
Yes, sir.
Did we discuss?
No, actually.
Okay, that's what we will discuss about how to develop and execute simple Java program. Okay.
Yes, sir. So actually, Java program we can run the file name space Java, right?
File name space Java. No, not like that.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Oh, yes, sir. I can.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here, first I will create one folder. Okay. No?
Okay, sir.
Better you create one folder, otherwise you can dump your programs directly in any of the drive also, not an issue.
Okay.
Okay, Srikanth Java. Today I will show you
Okay.
program execution by making use of command prompt only.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will show you by making use of different tool.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
because in companies what will happen in the sense there will be a scenario. Sometimes we will not be having tools.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Take an example, production environment, UAT environment like this, different server machines will be there.
Okay.
Those kind of machines will not have any tools for developing. Directly, we have to run our programs. That's it.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
For these kind of things, you have to make use of command prompt only.
Okay.
So, how to execute Java programs using command prompt? If you know, then it will be well and good. Okay.
Okay.
So let me show you one simple example how that works.
Okay.
Let me type a program. I'm not using any tools. I'm just creating a text document.
Okay.
Say public. This program, what is the intention behind this program is hello, welcome is what the result, what I want to display.
Okay.
Public class demo public. Okay.
Okay.
This is a simple Java program. Find it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to save this program in the sense, usually Java programs will be saved with the class name.
Class name, right?
Yeah. So here the class name is demo.
Okay.
Using this class name itself, I will save as save demo.java. Okay, na?
Okay.
See, here I have kept a double quote before and after your file name,
Okay.
because as in Windows there is a problem. Windows operating system, there is a problem. Sometimes it will take .txt as extra extension. Okay, na?
Okay.
To overcome that particular drawback, I will be specifying double quote over there.
Okay.
Otherwise, simply you can select save file type as Java here. Where is this? You have to search for Java here. You can set that. Well, I'm not able to find. Is there any file with the extension? I don't know. Here. Okay.
Okay.
You can select this and you can set it. Demo. One sec. Here also double quote icon. Okay. Okay. Na?
Okay.
See, it will be saved technically as Java file. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are not specifying that, it will save it as text file, where text files usually won't get executed. Remember this.
Okay.
Now, fine. Next thing is, you just check it out. This is what your Java file, what we have got. Now, let me explain what is this program is all about. Later, we can proceed with execution of your program. Okay, na?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yesterday, I was speaking about what you say, compiler and interpreter also, right?
Yes, sir. Compare.
Yeah. Compiler, interpreter, we have discussed. When
Yeah.
it comes to your compiler and interpreter, we will be having certain words which are reserved. Within the compiler and interpreter, there are certain words available inbuilt. Okay, na?
Okay.
Those words are called as reserved words. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, in Java, we have got somewhere around 51 to 52 reserved words, keywords.
Okay.
Which are the keywords in the sense? In upcoming classes, we will be learning all those keywords slowly.
Okay.
Among that, here you can see public is one keyword, class is one keyword, static is one keyword, void is one keyword. Okay, na?
Okay.
Like this, we have got certain keywords available already in our Java compiler.
Okay.
Okay, now
Yeah.
these keywords are designed for certain specific operations. What is that operations? For what purpose they have defined? You should use this program for the same purpose only. Got the point, right?
Yeah.
You should not use this keywords for some other purpose. If you
Okay.
use it for some other wrong purpose, obviously that leads to an error. Remember this.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, all the keywords in Java will be in small letters. Remember this.
Okay.
Next. Now, first we need to know what is meant by public.
Okay.
What is the meaning of public? Basically, public.
Public
What is
means
path?
everyone can use it.
Anybody can use it.
Yeah.
Correct, now?
Yes, sir.
Here, public in the sense it will be available everywhere.
Okay.
Anywhere you can access it. Any program. Let's say other program wants this program help. These kind of things in the sense you can take the help of this public.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Public, so make it visible globally. We'll take the help of public.
Okay.
Next, what is meant by class? This is another keyword. Okay, na?
Okay.
This keyword is meant for defining a class within our Java. Are you aware of C++ anywhere by chance?
Yeah.
Yeah, in C++ also we have got a class concept, right?
Yes, sir.
Same way, even here also we have got a class concept where if you need to define a class, you have to use this keyword class. Okay, na?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Next, this demo. Demo is nothing but an identifier. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Identifier means user defined value,
Identify.
which means user can specify the value whatever he wants.
Okay.
There is no rule like it should be demo only. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, instead of demo, I can give whatever the value which I need it. That is what called as identifier. Identifier, it can be capital, small, whatever it is, but it should not be repeated. That is what the
Okay.
only criteria.
Because of that's the class name, right?
Yeah, class name.
Okay.
Find it.
Yes, sir. Demo is
Next.
it's identifier and it's a class name. Okay. Uh, yeah, we can write in capital letter, small letter, right? Doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, anything you can write down over there.
But only we can write only one time, right? We
Yes.
have to. Okay.
Next.
Yeah.
Here again, I'm specifying public to make it visible globally. I'm using this public. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, static. See, what is meant by static in the sense? Basically, if you want any code to be load first itself, it is just like fast loading. You can consider.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
For that particular sake, we can make use of static.
Okay.
If you make any particular code as static, that will get loaded faster. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next. See, this public and static, these two keywords can be exchangeable. You can keep it
Okay.
as static public void main, otherwise public static void main also, not an issue.
Okay. Okay.
Next. What is this void?
Why it means you can remove it, right?
Void means no return type.
No return time. Okay.
Okay, na? Basically, here this main function is there, right? This won't return any value.
Yeah.
Where to specify, to inform that details to the compiler, here we will make use of the keyword void.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir. I'm fine.
Okay. Next, main. Main is nothing but the name of your function,
Okay.
where this main function will act like an entrance of your program. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
It
Second,
acts like the entrance of your program.
can you repeat about the main?
Main is a function
Okay.
which is predefined,
Okay.
okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Which acts like an entrance of your program.
Okay.
Okay, na? Program execution, basically it starts from main only.
Main. Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear. Thank you.
Next. See, these are called as command line arguments.
Okay.
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 The arguments taken by main method is called as command line arguments.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Basically, by taking the help of these arguments, you can take the inputs and you can perform some operations also.
Okay.
Where this particular command line arguments, usually we will use it for some operations. Later I'll show you addition, subtraction, any scenarios. If you want, you can take the help of this particular command line arguments. Okay, now.
Okay. Okay.
Now that command line arguments, if you just check it out, I will expect command line arguments to be integer.
Okay.
You will expect command line arguments to be float.
Okay.
Okay. Some other people they'll expect command line arguments to be characters. Some other people different type they'll expect. Okay, na?
Okay.
Where based on the user type cannot be changed. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Next, some people they'll expect one argument. Some people they'll expect n arguments.
N means number of.
N means any number.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay.
So there is no restriction for their requirement. Some people will ask one type, some people will ask another type, some people will ask a few arguments, some people they don't want arguments, some people will ask more arguments.
Okay.
Because of which there is no specific restriction for requirement of arguments. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Now to avoid that confusion, what Java people they have defined string arguments, string AR braces. That means string means it will accept any type of value.
Okay.
And AR braces, that means here we are taking array. And without any size, here I am not fixing any size. Okay, na?
Okay.
So there is no specific size also, and a string can accept any type of value.
Value.
So it is just like a freestyle.
Okay.
So anything, any type, any size, you can take it up. That is what the specialty of this particular type of arguments. Okay, now.
Okay. Okay.
Next, and string is a predefined class.
Okay.
In Java. More about this later I will speak. Okay, na?
Okay.
Where string is a predefined class, basically for the time being you just consider this is meant for holding any type of values. That's it.
Values. Okay.
And here AR is an object for the string class.
Okay.
Okay, now there is no rule like it should be AR only. See how demo is an identifier, AR is also an identifier. Okay, now.
Okay.
Where this particular identifier name can be anything. Okay, na?
Okay.
By seeing books, by seeing different materials, most of the people will think that it should be ERGS only. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
But there is no rule like that. I can specify whatever the variable name I want over here.
Okay.
But make sure it is not repeating again.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, and this command line arguments basically in Java we can specify it in three different fashions. One is either you can specify it in this fashion.
Okay.
Two more fashions I'll type it here. I hope you know this two slashes are meant for commands.
Okay. Yes.
Comments where that comments will not be executed only.
Okay.
Now you can specify string arguments double quotes. You can braces you can specify. Otherwise you can specify like this.
Okay.
String brackets KK. Otherwise you can specify in this way also.
Oh, we can use dots too.
Yeah, string space 3 dots. Exactly
Okay.
3 dots only. Space
Okay.
KK.
Okay.
Any one of this fashion, this or this.
Okay.
Any one of this fashion
Okay.
can be provided over here.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
So in real time, basically, we will take the help of these kind of concepts only. Remember this.
Okay, sir.
Can I open it now?
Yeah.
Okay. In interview, they might ask any one of this format and they'll confuse you. So
Okay.
be prepared for that.
Okay.
Next. So apart from this system.out.println, any doubts in complete program? Apart from this system.out.println. Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. Apart from system.out.println, any doubts in complete program? Is what my question.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what is this system.out.println? Let me tell you now.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay.
See, system is a predefined class.
Okay. Pretty fine class. Okay, sir.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
See, here I said a string is a predefined class. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
And all the predefined classes, first letter will be capital.
Capital. Okay.
Remember this. That is what called as title case.
Okay.
Where predefined classes, first letter will be capital.
Capital.
Now, here system is a predefined class, so S is capital over here.
Okay.
Next. Now, one important point I have to explain over here.
Okay.
See, I hope you are aware of this one C++ and C also you are aware, right?
Here.
In C, which is the default header file available?
Default. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
No,
it's
default
available.
header file. Which is the default header file?
Slash? No, not slash.
stdio.h.
Yeah.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Similar way, here instead of header files in Java, we will have a concept of packages.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Where those particular packages we will be using for performing various operations. Okay,
Okay.
now?
Okay.
Now, in Java, we have got one default package available, that is java.lang package. Lang is a default package available within our Java language. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. See, within a package is nothing but it is a folder. Of course, we have a concept of how to create package, all those things. But for the time being, you just remember, package is nothing but a simple folder
Okay.
which will be holding some set of classes, set of programs. Okay, now?
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. So under lang package, see, lang is a package. I
Package.
mean folder. Within that package, we have got so many classes available. For the time being, we will consider only one class, that is system.
Okay.
Of course, that string is also part of lang package only.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now we will speak
Okay.
more about this lang package later. We have got a concept separately.
Okay.
Now, under lang package, we have got a program, that is system.
Okay.
Under this system, we have got, say, java.io. Print stream class object, that is out.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Within this system class, we have got So many things. Among that, one important thing what we have to consider is print stream class object out is available within this.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, by taking the help of this out, we can, what we can do, we can generate various operations. We can perform various operations available within the print stream class. Okay, na?
Okay.
Now, so let me show you how print stream class will be there.
Okay.
io.print stream. Within that, we have got so many things. Among that, what we have to consider is one is print function, another one is print ln function.
LN. Okay.
Totally two functions are there. Of course, we have got several other things also. For the time being, you just limit it to print and print ln. Okay, na?
Okay.
Now, what happens whenever we call system.out.println means using system control will enter into its class. Within that, out object is there. Using this out, we will enter into print stream class. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
In print stream, we have got print function as well as println function also. Whichever you want, you can choose it. Got my point, right? Either you want to print the output. It is just like printf, you know, right?
Yeah, printf.
Yeah, just simple printf in the sense you can take the help of system out print function.
Okay.
If you want printf with /n, I hope you are aware. Printf with /n, correct, na?
Yeah.
Where it will print the data, control will go to next line.
Okay.
For that particular sake, we have to make use of system.out.println.
Yeah.
Got my point?
Yeah.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir. I think it's clear.
Okay. So this is how we can take the help of, what do you say?
Oh, no, I didn't say anything.
Yeah. In this way, we can take the help of our system.out.println for printing the content on the console.
Console. Yeah.
Find it?
Yeah.
And that too, that print and println functions, they have defined in such a way that it accepts any type of value.
Okay.
Got my point, na?
Yeah.
It accepts any type of value over here.
Value.
Next. Now, let me execute this program. So, this program is clear, right?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
So, let me execute this program. Just go to the same location where your program is there.
Okay.
Type Java C. Java C is what your compiler,
Okay.
which you have to consider. And what is your file name? Demo.
Demo.java.
Demo.java.
Okay.
Execute it. See, once it gets compiled, a class file will get generated over here.
Okay.
Yeah, see, class file is generated, which means your what you say, the program got successful.
Yeah, successful. Yeah.
See, there is no errors over here.
Yes, sir.
Now, next thing is we have to interpret that class file. At this point of time, if you delete your Java program also, not an issue. Once if you compile, you'll get a class file, right? That class file is important for further operations.
Okay.
And you can delete that Java file. But in future, if you want to modify the code, you need to have Java file, okay? Na?
Okay.
So we will keep both the files in that way. Okay. Fine. Java will take the help of our class file name, that is just demo. You don't need to give extra dot class as extension.
Okay, just Java demo for the
Yeah. It
execute.
generates the output hello welcome.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. Now we will go for next concept,
Okay.
that is addition of two numbers.
Two numbers, sir.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you are aware of data types like int, float, char, double.
Yes.
Correct, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, similar way, even here also we have got various types of data types available, where we will take the help of those data types for performing various operations. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now, how the data types will be used, let me show you now. Okay, na?
Okay.
Now, let me declare two variables, a comma b comma c. Three variables I'm declaring.
Okay.
A equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, and I will be displaying the result sum equal to plus c. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
So what I will be doing here, I'm performing addition, storing the result into C. I will be, what is there in double quote, I will be printing as it is.
As it is.
Yeah, sum equal to, it will print.
A plus
And
B.
this plus operator I'm using on a string data.
Okay.
So this will be considered as concatenation operator. Okay, na?
Okay.
By using plus, I'm concatenating C value. Okay,
Okay.
na?
Yes, sir.
Remember, plus operator, if you are applying it on two numerics, it will do addition. Okay, na?
Okay.
If you apply same plus operator on some character or string data, it will do concatenation.
Okay.
I hope you know what is meant by concatenation, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Joining of two things, that's it.
Yeah.
Here we will display sum equal to and C value also will be displayed over here.
Okay.
Now, let me run this. See, if you do a small character change also, you have to compile the code.
Yes, sir. We have to compile the code and after that we have to run the code, right?
Yes. You can see the result
Yeah.
generated sum equal to 30.
30.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir. Good.
Okay. Same way, let me show you addition of two float numbers.
Okay.
Hmm. So what will be the result?
Uh, 30, 50.
Sorry?
30, 50, right? 30 of
30.3, 30.5.
yeah, 30.5, right?
Okay. Let me run this for you.
Okay.
You will get to know the result. Check out. It will throw an error.
Yeah, there's two errors. Sure.
Because by default, Java
Okay.
will consider any decimal values. That means any values with decimals will be considered as double values. Got
Oh,
my point,
double
right?
back. Yeah.
Where double values will not be fitting to float variables.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
It will not fit to float variables. Now, to make it understand, that means we need to inform to Java that it is not double. Please consider these values as float.
Okay.
For that sake, we should take the help of one special character over here, that is f. Here, if you mention f, what will happen? Automatically, it considers the value as float value. Okay, na?
Okay.
See, now it will get executed. Generates output 30.5.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No. Yeah. Float will accept only two variables, right? Like two numbers.
What two numbers? After
I mean,
decimal?
yeah, after decimal, right? I mean,
No.
if it,
Up to 4 digits it will get.
after 4 digits, okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I have next one?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Now, if you want to work out on double, you can work out on double also. You can work out on any other things. Not an issue. Okay. Na?
Okay. Okay.
Only for float, this problem is there.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Now we will be stepping into next program, that is how to take command line arguments.
Command and arguments. Okay, sir.
Yeah, command line arguments. Okay. Then?
Okay.
First of all, what is meant by command line arguments?
I mean, it gives the input to the program. Right? Command line means give information to the program.
The arguments taken by main method is called as command line arguments.
Okay.
If you want, you can make a note of that.
Yeah, I will make.
Okay. Na?
Yeah.
The arguments taken by main method is called as command line arguments.
I'm sorry, arguments taken by.
Main method.
Okay, sir.
Is called as command line arguments. Okay. Na?
Okay, sir.
Next. By default, command line arguments will be of string type. Okay. Na?
Okay, sir.
Where if you need to convert it into specific format, you have to use various types of converting functions available over here.
Okay.
What are those various functions? Let me show you now.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Now, first I will take it as integer only.
Okay.
Now, command line arguments name is KK. Here you can check it out.
Okay.
So if you need to take the arguments, say integer dot parse in of KK of 0. MTGR. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now integer dot parseInt. First,
ParseInt.
we need to know what is meant by integer dot parseInt. Okay.
Okay.
Integer is a class of lang package. Okay.
Okay.
Just now we have discussed about lang package, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In that lang package, we have got so many classes. Among that, this class is also there.
Okay.
Integer class. Okay, na?
Okay.
The major intention, major usage of integer classes, it is to perform operations on int data.
Okay.
Now, here we have got integer.parseInt. Say, integer class is having one function with the name parseInt. What is the purpose of this parseInt in the sense? It will take the input in string format, okay, na?
Okay.
And convert it into integer format.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Basically, that string data we cannot store it into integer.
Integer. Okay.
Command line arguments, you can check it out on the top. It is string format only. Correct now?
Yeah, correct, sir.
If you want to convert that string format input into integer format, we should take the help of this kind of functions. Integer.parse.
Integer. Okay.
Okay, na? Integer
Okay.
class, that parseInt function is there. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah.
And as I said, predefined classes, first letter will be capital, I capital, integer, capital.
Okay.
parseInt is a predefined function, okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Where joining letter will be capital. That is called as, what do you say, camel case.
Camel is.
First letter will be small, joining letter will be capital. You can check it out.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. So we are combining both integer.parseInt and we are taking the input in string fashion, converting it into integer, storing it into a.
Okay. So, okay.
That's first input. See, the
Okay.
arguments, what is there over here, this is array of arguments. Correct now?
Yeah, correct, sir.
That array of arguments, basically array index will start from 0. I hope you are aware.
Yeah.
In C, C++, same procedure only. Array index will start from 0.
Okay.
Here also it is same only. The command line arguments, whatever user has entered, in that command line arguments, I'm taking 0th argument. Okay, na?
Okay.
And I'm converting into integer, storing it into a. First argument I'm taking, converting it into integer, storing it into b.
Okay.
Performing addition, storing it into c. That c value I'm displaying over there.
Okay.
Kind of?
Yeah.
So for these kind of programs, that means which will take command line arguments as an input, for these kind of programs, how to execute in the sense, you should execute like this. Let me show you. First compile as usual.
Okay.
While interpretation, how many arguments the program needs? How many arguments?
2 arguments.
2 arguments. See, I will pass first argument. This is in array 0th indexed value. Next, second arguments we are passing. This is first indexed value. Correct?
Okay.
Na?
Yeah, correct, sir.
So these two it will take, it will perform addition, generates the output. You can check it out. See, program is expecting 2 arguments, but if you pass more than 2 also, it will
So
take how many it needs. Okay, na?
it's only take only 2 arguments. The first 2, right?
Yeah.
It will take
Yes,
only.
yes.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Suppose if you pass less than 2, it will throw an error.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
So, how much ever is needed, pass that much only exactly. Beyond that or less than that is not needed.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir. Good.
Okay. Now we'll go for how to convert it for float. See here, instead of integer dot parsend, use float dot parse float.
Okay.
F capital here also.
Okay, sir. Because of
Even
the
float is also
string.
class of, sorry.
Because of the capital letters, the first letter is the capital letter, right?
Correct.
Yeah, that's because we are using string, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
now we are working on float, right?
yeah, for float.
Okay.
You want me to write down the program for that also?
No, sir. I'm fine. Just we need to remove the integer and we have to the float, right?
Yes.
Simple. Okay, sir. No, I got it.
Okay. Next, I wanted to say one more thing over here.
Okay.
Yeah. That float is also a class of lang package only.
Okay.
Got
Lang
my point.
package. Yeah.
Like this, we have got so many classes. For the time being, we can see only string, system, float, and integer.
Okay.
Other things in upcoming classes, a separate concept only, I'll teach you.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir. Good.
Okay. Now, we'll go for next thing.
Okay.
That is, what is Eclipse? We will start up next tool also now itself. When we
Okay.
have, correct?
Okay, sir.
What is meant by Eclipse?
Uh, we can write the program in the Eclipse, right? It's like a kind of software we can use to write a code and implement the program. I hear about that, but I don't remember exactly.
Okay. Eclipse is a prescribed tool. Okay, na? It is an
Okay, sir.
IDE, integrated development environment,
Okay.
developed by Sun Microsystem. Currently, it
Okay.
is maintained by Oracle.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Where this tool you can use it for developing most of the programs of programming things available in the market right now. Even you can execute Java, Python, PHP, .NET, C, C++, so many things you can execute by taking the help of
Eclipse.
yes.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
na?
Okay.
But initially this tool they have designed for developing and executing Java programs only.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir. Eclipse means it's an integrated development environment.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, how this IDE can be downloaded? Let me show you.
Okay.
You can simply go to this particular Eclipse Foundation,
Okay.
download, okay, na?
Okay.
And install it. There is no special procedure for this, okay, na?
Okay, sir.
And first make sure you have downloaded and installed Java JDK.
Okay, sir.
If you have JDK, then only you can execute what you say. You can install this Eclipse.
Okay.
If you don't have what you say this JDK,
Okay. Right now I have it, sir. Yesterday we
Yeah,
downloaded
that's
one.
right. If you don't have JDK, then
Yeah,
Eclipse
yeah.
cannot be installed. Okay, na?
Okay.
So in that way, I have downloaded, installed JDK. At the same time, I have installed Eclipse also. This
Okay.
version is very latest version.
Okay.
You can check it out. 2019 March they have released that version only. I'm using it.
Okay, sir.
And initially, the Sun Microsystem people they have released version 3.0. Later,
Okay.
so many versions like 3.1, 3.2, some like this different versions. We have got it into the market, and currently this version is happening.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. That will open. Then we can see.
Okay, sir.
In companies, we will be preferring this particular tool only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now,
Okay.
and almost 67 to 70 percentage of market for Java developers. This is what the prescribed tool.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Mm.
Yeah. I'm downloading the Eclipse Insta Win 64.
Yeah, you can download it side by side.
Yeah, but it's showing only like 52 MB. Is that true?
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
downloaded the wrong one. Okay. Yeah, I got something right now. Eclipse installer. I have some options here. Which one I have to choose it, sir?
Yeah, you just install it.
No, no. When I click after download, when I click the download file, the next window will open. There's the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Eclipse
Could you please
IDE
share your
for.
screen?
Oh yeah, 1 second.
I'll make you presenter.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, for
You can see them. Okay.
yeah, one second. Scroll down.
Okay.
That second option you select.
The second one.
Yeah, Enterprise Java Developers.
Okay, sir.
Click on
Now
install.
just install. Okay.
See, if you go for first option, you can execute only core Java programs.
Okay.
If you go for second option, that is for Java, JWT,
Enter.
both.
Okay. Both will work on the same program, same tool.
Yeah, both can be executed.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this one it takes time. Oh.
Take just few minutes.
Okay.
It is installing.
And this is accept, right, sir? Remember choice.
Yes.
And now select all.
Yes.
Launch now.
Yes. Yeah, launch it.
Okay.
See, this is what called as workspace. Okay, now
Workspace. Okay, sir.
basically workspace is nothing but a folder
Okay.
which is meant for holding all your programs. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
yeah. Okay. So you got still more latest version.
Oh, is it okay?
Okay. Close that window. Welcome window.
Okay, sir. Just close the window.
Not this. Welcome. Welcome. Beside welcome, you have got arrow mark, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this particular window, basically Eclipse tool, will be divided into four partitions. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
Left partition, center, and right
Right.
down
And
part.
bottom. Yeah.
Right and about left partition. This is called as Project Explorer.
Okay, sir.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Where you can create project and you can create your programs also.
Okay.
Right on. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Center portion is your coding section.
Okay, we can run the code here.
Yeah. You
Okay.
need to code your program here itself.
Okay.
Right portion is outline,
Okay.
which is
We
meant
can
for
we can see the errors. What is the purpose of the right side one outline? We can see.
outline. Basically, you can see the outline of your program. How many functions are there? How many variables are there?
Okay.
Those kind of things. If you need to view,
Okay, sir.
right side portion will help you.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
And down portion is what your console,
Okay.
which will show you the output of your program.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir. Okay.
Okay. In left side, you just click right click.
It's not working yet.
Uh, File. Go for file.
Okay.
New
Okay, sir.
Java project. Java project is not there.
Oh no.
Other.
Actually, I select the JPA project. Give me one second. Close it.
Go for other. Okay,
Okay,
na?
sir. Yeah.
Java project.
Just next.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. It's asking create a Java project.
provide a name for this.
Okay, just can I give like welcome something?
You can give any name.
Okay,
Project name is just a folder name.
okay,
Got my point, right?
yeah,
Any name you can give.
okay,
Provide it.
okay. I put demo one. Is that okay, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, now finish.
Yeah. Click on finish.
Okay, I can see the open associated perspective.
Remember meditation, open perspective, you click.
Okay,
Got my point, right?
yeah, yeah. Now I can see the folder one, demo one, whatever I give the name
Yes.
on the left side.
Then right click on that folder,
Okay,
new
okay.
class,
Class.
class, class.
Okay, sir.
Give some name for this.
Uh,
Name. Yeah, provide
any-
some name.
okay,
Anything.
okay,
Click finish. Select main method also. Down you can select public static void main. Above,
oh,
yeah, that one.
and now it's
Click
finished.
finish. Okay, na?
Yeah,
So your program is generated. Here you can edit rest of the code.
okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, sir. Right now, the class name is Srikanth, right? There is a class name Srikanth.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, what we can do, how to edit other things and all. In tomorrow's session, I'm going to show you. Okay, na?
So tomorrow I will let you know. Okay. I mean, tomorrow I have a scheduled job at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
before that, yeah, if possible, before that you take your class. Is that possible?
You just ping me. Let me check it out. Okay.
Yeah, I will ping you in the like evening, your time, evening 6:30. Is that okay? Around.
Yeah, just ping me. Let me check if I can make some arrangement. I can arrange the class for. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yeah, and only this week problem because I already gave them the schedule because they asked. I didn't tell them before I take the class. I had to take the off, but I didn't tell them.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
problem. Yeah, from next week, Monday to Friday, every day I take the class. No disturbance.
Okay. Okay. Fine. No issues.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.